In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Flo app. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by launching Flo on your mobile device. You can find the Flo app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful flower. Tapping the icon will open the app and bring you to the welcome screen. This is important because you need to access the app to log in. Once the app is open, you will see various options available to you. Remember, this is your gateway to all the features Flo offers, so let's make sure you are ready to log in. Next up, tap the login icon. This icon is often represented by a key or a user silhouette and is typically located at the bottom of the screen. When you tap this icon, it will direct you to the login options. This step is crucial as it sets you up to enter your credentials. You want to ensure you're in the correct section to proceed with your login. Once you tap the icon, the screen will change and you will be presented with several choices for logging in. Now, log in with Google, Apple, or your email address. You will see 3 options on the screen. If you choose Google or Apple, simply tap the corresponding button, and the app will guide you through the authentication process. If you prefer to enter your email, tap that option and fill in your email address and password. This step matters because it allows you to choose the most convenient method for you. Select the option that you feel most comfortable using. After entering your information, make sure to check it for accuracy before proceeding. A small mistake could lead to login issues. Once your login details are entered correctly, you'll successfully be logged in. You should see a confirmation screen or be taken directly to the main dashboard of the app. This means you are now ready to explore all the functionalities of Flo. It's a great feeling to know that you're logged in and ready to make the most of your experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This is your chance to access features that can help you with your health and wellness goals. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into the Flo app. This process is straightforward, ensuring that you can access your account quickly and efficiently. Always remember to keep your login credentials secure to protect your personal information. Logging in is the first step towards tracking your health journey, and you're now set to go. Enjoy exploring all that Flo has to offer. If you encounter any issues during the login process, don't hesitate to refer back to these steps. Each step is designed to help you navigate smoothly through the login procedure. Now you can utilize the app to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.